I'm Nick Brooks, a California employment law attorney. Are you paying all employees at least minimum wage? Today, I'm breaking down Labor Code Section 1194, California's minimum wage requirements, how employees prove non-payment claims, and the serious penalties employers face for wage violations. California business owners must pay employees at least the legal minimum wage for every hour worked. Failing to meet this standard exposes employers to significant penalties, lawsuits, and labor enforcement actions, even if an employee agreed to a lower pay rate or was provided meals or lodging under Labor Code Section 1194. To prove non-payment of minimum wage, employees must show three things. First, that employee performed work for the employer. Second, they were paid less than the legal minimum wage for some or all hours worked. And third, the amount owed based on the wage rate in effect for that time period. Here's a critical rule. Employers cannot pay below the minimum wage, even by private agreement. California's minimum wage requirements apply broadly, and the legal minimum wage may change yearly or by locality. Only certain categories, like outside salespersons, are exempt. Wage orders allow credits for meals and lodging, but only under precise rules. Employers must track and pay all hours worked, regardless of work performed off the clock or by agreement. Violations can result in payment of wage shortfalls, liquidated damages, which typically double the unpaid amount, civil penalties, and restitution under Labor Code Sections 1194, 1194.2, and 1197.1. The financial exposure adds up fast. Common mistakes include not tracking off the clock work, assuming employees can agree to lower rates, failing to update pay rates when minimum wage increases, and incorrectly applying meal or lodging credits. Each of these creates liability. Here's how California employers stay compliant. First, keep updated on state and local minimum wage rates because they change regularly. Accurately record all hours worked and pay the correct rate for every pay period. Evaluate whether any claimed exemption or credit applies under current law, and immediately remedy wage shortfalls or underpayments to minimize legal exposure. So, California law strictly enforces minimum wage requirements for all covered employees. Business owners must ensure full and timely minimum wage payment or risk significant financial penalties and lawsuits, no matter prior agreements or compensation structure. For more information about this legal issue, please visit my blog at nickbrooksesq.com. That's nickbrooksesq.com. And also, please subscribe to my YouTube channel for more information. Thank you very much.